Hello everybody, my name is Vishal. Today I have started a new series on Electron. In this series we will learn Electron framework in depth. In this video we will introduce Electron. The topics that will be covered in this video are what is Electron, the popular applications that are built on Electron, and the tools that are needed to work on Electron. So we will come to our first question. All of you might have this question in your mind. What is Electron? Electron is a framework like .NET framework that is created by Microsoft. It is open source. Well, open source means it is free to use, and its source code is also free to use. Electron is used to create cross-platform desktop applications. Cross-platform means the application built with Electron can run on any operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux. This application can also be deployed to Windows Store and Mac Store. Also, these applications can run on the devices like Raspberry Pi. So, you might be thinking, what are the programming languages that are used to create an application with Electron? It's HTML, CSS and JavaScript, all the web technologies. Woohoo! Who developed it and why? It is developed by GitHub. All of you might have heard the name of GitHub. And why not? It's so much popular. GitHub wanted to create a text editor that can run on any platform. They also wanted to use web technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript to create this text editor. They also wanted speed and asynchronous behavior very easily, which is provided by node.js. So they started to create their editor using node.js. They used Node WebKit, which is popularly known as NWJS, as their framework. But after starting this project, they realized that NWJS lacks some facilities that are very specific to operating system. So they decided to create their own framework. They created their own framework and named it Atom Cell. Then they created their text editor using Atom Cell, and they named it Atom. Then they open sourced Atom and Atom Cell together. Then after 1 or 2 years, they renamed Atom Cell to Electron. So this is the story of the birth of Electron framework. Now as you know that Electron is built on the top of Node.js. They also used V8 engine of Chromium. What is Chromium? Chromium is used by Google Chrome, the browser. So GitHub used V8 engine of the Chromium to create Electron framework. So now you know that Electron is built on the top of Node.js and V8 engine of Chromium. Now you all know that you can create cross-platform desktop applications using HTML, CSS and JavaScript with Electron. Let's discuss how popular is Electron. So here are some popular applications that are built with Electron. First one is the Atom, which we have talked about just 2 minutes ago. Below that is Visual Studio Code, which is developed by Microsoft. It is also a text editor like Atom. Both of these text editors are hackable. Hackable meaning you can download NPM packages for any language and then start working on it without changing any editor. based on the language. Besides that, here it's Slack, which is a chatting application. WhatsApp, a popular chatting application, also shown the interest in Electron. So you might have thought now that Electron is very powerful. These are some other applications that are built with Electron. For the full list of applications that are built with Electron, please visit their official website electron.atom.io. Now you might be thinking that you want to develop your own application using Electron. So let's discuss the tools that are needed to develop Electron app. The first, foremost and the only requirement for Electron is node.js, which comes with npm, Node Package Manager. Node.js is a server-side JavaScript, and npm is Node Package Manager. There are 200,000 packages currently available on npm. There are near about 800 packages that are specific to Electron. You can use all those 200,000 already built packages in your Electron application. That's great! Now you are ready to work with Electron. So what is this? In this course, we will be using git-bash a lot. Git-bash is a command line tool like command prompt in Windows, but you can run all the git commands and most of the Linux commands on git-bash. Then below that are our two known text editors. Here is the Atom and the Visual Studio Code. For this series we will be using Visual Studio Code. You can use any editor, but my personal choice is Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my videos.